Everyone, today we are going to discuss few properties that are left in the chapter, the other properties of material through which we can categorize the object into groups. So we can categorize the objects into group by using one more property called conductors and insulators. Through this conductor and insulator, we can also classify the materials into group, right? So you must be wondering that what are conductors, right? So conductors are the objects that allow heat and electricity to pass through them are called conductors. Means if the object allow heat and electricity to pass through them, that are called conductors. Like metals, aluminium, copper, iron, all are metals. So they conduct the electricity, they pass the heat through their body. So that is why they are called conductors. Even human being are also good conductor of heat and electricity. Next is insulators. Insulators are those who are bad conductor, which do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them, are called bad conductors. Or insulator means they do not allow the heat and electricity to pass through their body, like wood and tell me, rubber. They also do not conduct the electricity and heat. That is why the handle of the utensils are made up of wood. That is why we always ask to wear the rubber slippers whenever we are touching the electricity points. Understood? So now we will discuss some more questions that is present in your chapter number 4, short answer questions. So first one is, what should be kept in mind while choosing a material to make an object? We need to keep the following in mind. First, the purpose for which the object is to be used. B, the property of the materials. Means whenever we want to categorize, whenever we want to classify the object, first we need to be very careful that for which purpose we are using the object and the properties of that material. Next is, why can we not use wood to make utensils, vessels? Why, if I ask you why don't we use wooden cooker, so it sound like strange, because wood cannot pass the heat through their body. It means it is a bad conductor of heat. Next is, rubber is not used to make electric wires. Why? As it is bad conductor of heat and electricity. That is why rubber is not used to make electric wires. Next is, list any 5 properties that can be used to group various objects around us. First is appearance. How it looks, means whether the object is shiny. Next is texture. C is hardness. D is solubility and E is transparency. Next is, what is transparency? The property of material by which light can be passed through them, through any object also you can write, is called transparency. Thank you and have a nice day.